For the next part of the project, we're going to take some aluminum foil and we're going to wrap it around a black square. Now when you look at aluminum foil, there are two sides to it. There's one that's a little bit shinier than the other. Okay? We want the shinier side to face down because we're going to wrap it around here. Okay, so I'm going to put the black square there, and I'm just going to take one side, making sure this black square isn't moving, and I'm just going to crease it across. Okay. And then I do the same thing on the other side. Crease it across. Take your time because we don't want to rip the aluminum foil. And then after that, we're going to come to the top side and we're going to fold this down here. And then I'm going to turn it this way. And I'm going to do this last side. Okay. And then I take a few pieces of tape and I just want to overlap the edges. And I could probably do one more on this side over here. Okay, so this is the back side. This is the side that we really want to see. All right, for the next step, you're going to place your paper design onto the aluminum foil. Now, figure out which way you want to do it. You could even go this way if you'd like to, if you want to have kind of a interesting design where it kind of comes this side. I think for mine, I kind of like it best when it's this way right here. So to get that to stay on, I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to roll it backwards. Since glue doesn't work very well, we're just going to use the tape. And I'm going to put one in each corner on this piece of paper, and it should stick pretty good to the aluminum foil. Turn it over. And right there, and then smooth that out. All right, for the next part, we're going to add some decoration design around the outside onto the aluminum foil. So when you work with this next part, it needs to be a permanent marker. If you're to do regular Crayolas on here, it'll just wipe right off. So make sure you have a permanent marker. I'm going to start with a black one, and I'm just going to take some of these lines, and I'm going to extend them off the edge here. You might not be able to see it great on there, but I'm just going to go ahead and kind of play around with these lines, see if I can come up with some more patterns and designs off of the edge and let you see how it looks. All right, I was able to add some black lines. I just kind of extended some of these things around there, trying to keep that radial symmetry where I could. And then after that, I can take some colored ones and I can start coloring in different areas to add some more decoration. This will definitely give you a different look on the aluminum foil. But I'm going to go ahead and work on this and see how it turns out. All right, I was able to finish up here. Gives a really neat reflective qualities if you fill it up and try to add as much color as you can. I really like the look of it. Now for the final step, since we can't fit our name on the front there, I was thinking just do a name tag here. So I'm going to put this down and put this down, and then just add it on the back side here by adding a couple pieces of tape. Just overlapping it, and then you'll write your name and your class code right below there.